The first thing you want to do is grab a device where you can use a Word document or a Google document like I'm using. You could technically use any device for this, but I've decided to use my laptop because I think it'll be the most convenient. Look at my adorable mouse pad. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. The next thing you want to do is go into Google and type in Redbubble stickers. Then you want to click on images, and as you can see, you get a bunch of these adorable little aesthetic-like stickers. If you're looking for a certain type of Redbubble sticker, just type in like a certain word after that, and then you'll get that certain category of stickers. Once you found a sticker that you like, you want to click on it, left click it, copy it, and paste it to your Google document. If it's way too big like this or way too small, then I definitely recommend you resize it. To make your stickers, you will need your images, parchment paper, a pair of scissors, and some tape. Now you're going to start cutting out your images. I like to leave a little white border around mine because I think it looks cuter, but obviously you don't have to do that. Place a piece of tape on the parchment paper, your image, and then another piece of tape. Make sure to smooth it out to avoid any air bubbles. Try to leave about an inch of space in between each sticker. When cutting the stickers, try to leave at least half an inch of space of parchment paper. This is very important so that the stickers actually work and don't fall apart. Guys, this whole time I thought this said in my teenager era because, you know, I'm 16, but y'all, it says in my teacher era.
This is really embarrassing.
And I'm like literally not a teacher, so that's so funny. I thought I was eating with this little in my teenager era, and it doesn't even say that. I don't know why I couldn't tell that it didn't say that.
Cabin. Everybody else was just waking up. Like me, Jocelyn had serious bedhead going on, but she just yanked her hair into a ponytail. Enormous box of fiery... Want one hand and the...
And there you have it, guys. We got these beautiful Redbubble stickers. I'm so happy with how these turned out. You see this, there's the sun. Homeschool class president, because I'm homeschooled. If you can't already tell, I'm going into my junior year of high school. Next year is my senior year and I can be done with school fast because school is not fun. I love like this adorable teddy bear and then like this avocado, and I'm literally just a book girl. I love reading so much. So, and then this is like one of my favorites. So yeah, you can put these on anything. I've seen people put them on water bottles, put it on my folder. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm really happy with how these turned out. It's definitely like a fun activity. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not embarrassed? This is really embarrassing.
Gotta clean up now because I made kind of a mess.